Hey guys, this is Cindy. I wanted to share my little craft space. So as you know, I've been working on my craft room and I finally got a house where I have an extra room to make a craft room out of it. So my husband owed me my Christmas and my birthday present, and the reason for that, the reason why it took so long is because I couldn't decide what furniture to get from Ikea. I was looking at craft rooms online and on YouTube to get inspiration. So far this is what I have. So I have the two Allen tables. I think they were 70 each, plus this table was like $15, and I got the smallest tables I could find. These the previous owner left it. It came with the house, so I figured they're still in good shape, so I can still use it. This is a bookshelf from IKEA, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but my husband secured it to the wall in case of earthquakes, just because we live in California, so we do get that. So this is how it looks. And right here in this space, I'm gonna put all my wrapping paper. So he's gonna build, like, I don't know, I think he's gonna put like screws where I can slide wrapping papers going from floor to top. And here I'm going to put my 6x6 paper, 12x12 paper. So this is my paper shelf. So I still have a long ways to go, so I'm still gonna decorate it. I figured I'll put like adhesives, anything that I use a lot, like my inks, in these drawers. I still don't know where else, but I figured I want to buy a label maker from Costco. I think it's like $50, and I want to label each drawer here. And I have a lot of plans for this drawer, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Then I found another bookshelf, and these were $15. So I bought two. I told my husband that I want them stacked up. The reason for that is because mostly to save money. So I really like one that had like glass doors, but it was like $70-$80. Wait, was it? No, I think it was like 120. So I figured for the same thing, I'll just get the bookshelves, and they were each $15. So he stacked them up for me. And again, he did the same thing. He secured the top one to the wall on each side, just in case. And funny part is, this bookshelf comes with like a white trim right here. So my husband left that out so that I can put my paper trimmers in here. And actually this is the Abdullah, I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. Yeah. And I think here I'm gonna put like my thickers, my flowers, my yarn, maybe my punches. I'm not sure what to do with this space yet. This thing came with the house too, so my husband is gonna update it, and I'm gonna put like little baskets in here to put my glue gun and my heat gun and stuff like that. And trust me, this won't be the chair for my craft room. I will get rid of this big bookshelf. I bought it at the thrift store for like $30. It served me very, very well. But what I'm planning to do is downsizing my craft room. So I'm gonna be doing like these stashes. I have a lot of vintage lace from other YouTubers that I have purchased from, and I'm not using it, so I will have to like sell them just to make some room. So here I got this shelf from a lady who used to live in the same apartment complex where we used to live, and she was moving away, and it was in very good shape. It still is, so I decided to keep it. So I'm gonna remove this shelf and move this guy closer. Okay, and I'm gonna put a computer desk because my husband uses a computer a lot. So I still have a mess here, as you can see. So what I'm planning to do is put a table here in the center that goes a little bit higher up my waist so that I can craft standing up, especially when I use the cuddle bug. For some reason, I cannot use the cuddle bug when I'm sitting down. Like, I feel like I need my entire body strength to like run those plates through it. So that's why I got this this table like a little bit small and closer to that to the wall. And then the idea is, so get the table in the center, and then on this side I'm gonna put like one of those sofa beds. It's like a sofa, but it converts into a bed. The reason for that is because I'm gonna be having family and friends coming over from like out of state. So I have a 3 bedroom home, technically 4 bedroom. So I want to make sure that my guests have their own privacy and feel comfortable. So that's why I want to put the sofa bed here. In this closet, I'm planning to reorganize it very well. I think I'm gonna put more shelves. Honestly, I know it looks so bad, but I swear I'm working on it. It takes time, and honestly, like, I'm very sorry for my language, but I didn't realize how much crap I have. Like, seriously, I just did a Tuesday morning haul video and I bought even more stuff, and I'm not even done putting things away. And here I have all my punches and, like, oh my god, I don't know, you guys. It's just so much stuff I didn't know I had. I still have the mirror to hang up. I don't even know if I'm gonna hang that mirror. The reason I wanted the mirror is for the lighting and so that my room can look bigger. I found it in the alley. Actually, my husband found it in the alley, so he brought it in for me and I liked it. And in this little box is like the lighting, so that if I work at night and if I want to take fancy pictures, because I still do not know how to take fancy pictures, my husband bought me that, so I can get a white background, red background, black background, whatever, to take pictures of my cards and my projects. So my husband is helping me a lot with this. I feel like I have like the creative mind where I kind of want things in their bedroom, and he's more like logical on like if it's a good idea to put it there, and if so, let's try to find a way. Honestly, I wasn't gonna get this table. I was gonna get a regular like rectangle shaped table. A table with no drawers. That's what I'm trying to say. And so he said, no, you need drawers underneath. So he was the one who convinced me to get this. So this is like a quick update. I know it's horrible, but I'm working my way through it. I would like to paint this room, but at the rate that I'm going, I think I'm not gonna paint my room. I wanted to paint it like baby teal, like a teal color, or like maybe get some stripes. I don't know yet. And I really love the industrial look. So I don't know, I really like I would like metal panels on my wall. I don't know, it sounds so crazy, like teal with metal. I don't know what I'm thinking. And this is my window, so a lot of light comes inside from that window. So I don't know if I'm gonna put a curtain, but once I start working and making videos here, then I'll know if I need curtains or not. But right now I'm leaving it open just because I really love the lighting. And I have a fan and AC in here, so I'm good with that. Floors, I don't know if I'm gonna put carpet, just because we work with alcohol inks and paint, so I don't want to get my carpet dirty. So like the little square carpets, I kind of wanted like that fake fur on the floor. But I'm sorry, I'm breathing too hard because I just came from a long walk with my dog. I think we did like a 45-minute walk, and I'm tired. But yeah, I just wanted to share the process of this. And if you guys have any ideas on what to do here, please let me know. Please comment below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.